Okay, guys, so this has been our initial projection for V75. This blue line here, I drew it I think like 2 days ago or a day ago. Yeah, okay. I think I screenshotted it somewhere. Yeah, here it is. This is the initial where my cursor mouse is. This is the initial projection of a retracement between this green line and this black line here. I knew or I know that there was this a key level. This is a key level, and there's prone to be a rejection or a retracement. The market has to breathe in and breathe out. All right, the market is more like a wave. It goes up, it comes down. It doesn't go in a straight line. So actually, I projected uh, uh, this retracement sell, and for it to sell down to this level, this 618 level region between here and the black line. This region, this is where we'll be looking for buys. But on this market playing out a day after, we still have we now have cause for concern. Though our sell retracement played out. Okay, this is a V75 4 hour time frame. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame. You see what I mean. All right, this is this is our 1 hour time frame. These are 1 hour time frame V75. So if you look closely, you see just as we predicted, there was a sell. If you know my strategy or my confirmations, you my students will know where to sell from around this area or what confirmations to look for. But if you look closely in this area, you see a very nice pattern, an inverse head and shoulder being formed, here, like the shoulder, right, the head, and this is another shoulder here. So, which is a retracement, a reversal pattern. For those of you that knows much about trading or reversal pattern, so this has me a cause for concern for what's going to happen to V75. This is a head and shoulder being created here on a key level, not just anywhere. And this green line, this is more like a support level, supply level of a yearly time frame for a yearly time frame. So for this trend to coming down in this level, between this level, just like I said, that we were looking for patterns, market reactions between this black line and here, and which we got one here. So this is a reversal pattern of a head and shoulder. So on a key level, which we should take very cognizant about it. Although I was still being skeptical, I don't look for buys. I initially wanted to see some reactions here, this zone for buys, but it didn't really play out just like I wanted. But I had a more better uh, entry this after this bullish engulfing candle here. I placed my stop loss above here. I think it was almost a 1 to 2. Almost a 1 to 2. My TP was at the 168 level. Yeah, it was just a short trade, but profit is profit. So why I had to take profit here is, let's take this out, is me because this level 2 is more like a key zone. Anything could happen here. We could uh, actually this initial buy that started here. I I saw the buys, but the confirmation of a buy wasn't that super strong for me. That's why I took only one trade on this initial exit, and I exited here on this key level, around this level. I did not take any other trades here. So So this head and shoulder is a very strong reversal candle pattern, and so now we just have to be patient, looking forward for candle for reactions in this zone between the 618 level and the 79% level, fib level that I drew here. So between here, so I was looking or still looking for a buy in this, but we just still have a confirmation. So what we just have to do, trading is all about patience. You just have to be patient. So what we're looking forward now is the break of this zone. uh, I think I'll favor the downside because I have confirmations that I do use to entry for my confirmations are now made for the sell, for the buy rather. That's super strong confirmation for my buy. So I think the market just wanted to retrace back to this level, to this key level, which was a yearly key level for a sell. All right. So if the market was able to break this region and continue going up, we we would have been more sure of the buys to continue. But for the market being not just breaking here, it took out some buyers here, people that might have put buy entries thinking that it would continue that way and formed a pattern, a very strong pattern of inverse head and shoulder. So I will actually favor the downside, but will not just enter blindly. You will look forward to waiting for a break of this level, a break of this level, a retest to this level, and back to the downside. So actually, I think I'll favor the downside by 80% and the upside by 20%. But because in trading, you still have to give yourself room to making mistakes, room for surprises to happen. But be it as it may, uh, I favor the downside because confirmations for a buy are not that strong. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. My network is kind of slow. Okay, it's better now. Yes, this is my 4 hour time frame. So let's look for. Let's just check out. Let's just wait to see what's gonna happen between tomorrow, the next day candle, because today's candle is gonna close. It's gonna close. I think in 2 hours. That's like 1 p.m. West Africa Nigerian time. So let's look for a retest, a breakthrough, a break pass of this area, a retest back to this zone, and a bullish engulfing candle closing back. So I think we'll be having an entry. We'll be having an entry of something like this. If you have a bullish engulfing closing at this area to the downside, so we'll be targeting this next low. We trade from zone to zones. I know that will be a topic for another day. How to trade on the zones. I'm a zone trader. I trade from zones to zones. Just like if you see my entries and TPs, I love entering on zones and taking profit on zones. Just like this previous market here, I entered from having my confirmation here, exited at this zone. Uh, a lot of it, I enter here, exit at the zone, enter this cell here from this zone, exited somewhere at halfway on this zone. So that was more like a 2 to 5 risk to reward. All right, so let's see how it goes. Is your boy Admire FX once again? That's my projection for the week on V75. Wish you guys good luck. Keep trading the forex market. Remember, patience is the key and keep trusting the process. All right, bye.